I'm Colin Winslow, and we're in 2040, and I'm looking for all my 6th grade fellows. And I work for Fox 8 News. Come on, let's go. Hey, what's up, Banks?
How's it going?
Okay, good. Hey, Miney, how you doing? I'm Colin from 6th grade. You remember?
Who are you?
From Mr. Georgeonnet's advisory, we did that assembly together about what we wanted to be in the future.
Yeah, I don't know you, but I remember that.
Okay, well, I'm a reporter now, and I'm here to ask you some questions about 6th grade. So, what is your job, and now that we're in 2040, and where do you live?
I am a fashion designer, and I live in South Carolina.
Well, I'm a model.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in New York City.
Okay, so what's your side job and things that you love to do?
Well, this might sound funny, but I actually walk dogs because I love animals, especially dogs.
It's pretty cool. I love that memory.
I'm working with virtual reality games.
Okay, cool. Well, I bake, and I love using chocolate.
Okay. Where are we right now? We're like, where
Well,
do
you
live?
see, if you couldn't see up here, we're in New York.
I'm a pharmacist, and I live in Louisiana.
Okay.
I'm a soccer player, and I play in Germany.
Okay. So, what is one new thing about your job that it wasn't like this in 2018?
That the referees and the goalies are all robots.
Cool. Okay. Happening now.
Well, you see, I always love making my food out of chocolate. So you see, instead of making chocolate out of all those hazelnuts and cocoa, we make it out of, we also do that, but we also make it out of robots that fail and peanut butter. You hear that? We make chocolate out of peanut butter, and also the robots that don't obey well.
What's one good memory from 6th grade?
That we didn't have to do homework. Memory from 6th grade is the school dance that I went to with all my friends, and it was really enjoyable.
I could do stupid stuff. Like, you follow me here?
Yeah.
I could do stupid stuff, and nobody would ever judge me. Ever.
I had lots of friends, and I stay in touch with most of them actually, and like I love all of them.
How they doing now?
They're doing great actually, considering you're one of them. But
I do basically is I'm a reporter / shoe designer. Pretty cool. I stay in touch with most of my friends, like you. We called you, made sure you think it was okay. But you know what? It's really cool because I get to see all my friends. And one good 6th grade memory that I will always remember is that it was so much fun having all the teachers around and
yeah, I love the
everything to
teachers.
help,
I mean,
especially Mr. Pickett. He was pretty cool.
mine is like Miss B. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
right.
other teachers, but I love Miss B. So.
I had all of my friends in my advisory to hang out. The school dance that I went to with all my friends, and it was really enjoyable.
Okay.
Probably all the times I didn't hurt myself.
Nice meeting you again. Okay, see you later. Seeing you again, Banks.
Hi.
See you later. See you later, James.
I'm gonna go back to practice now.
Okay. Now we're in 2040, and
And where do you live?
oh yeah.
Fashion designer.
Hey, Hermione, it's Colin from 6th grade. You remember? We were in Mr. Georgeonnet's advisory. We did the Bro, Mr.